Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen once again. I had a few ripe bananas, so I thought why not make banana jam at home. It turned out really yummy and delicious. So let me show you what we need. As I said, I have 4 ripe bananas. We'll need sugar, jaggery, lemon juice, a pinch of salt and a little water if needed. I'll add the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Peel the bananas and cut them into small pieces. If you like, you can grind them into a paste. But I like little chunks, so I am doing it this way. Now, transfer the cut banana pieces into a pan and place it on the stove. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of jaggery. Then switch on the stove. As it starts heating, stir it occasionally. Once the sugar and jaggery begin to melt, keep stirring continuously. Keep stirring and in between mash the bananas with the help of a fork. Homemade jams are always special. They are tasty and at the same time there are no preservatives in them, so we can enjoy them confidently. Especially if you have small children at home, they will love it. Keep stirring and in between mash the bananas with the help of a fork. If you feel the bananas are not mushy enough yet and the mixture has become too thick, add 1 tablespoon of water. I am speeding it up here, but it actually took me about 20 minutes to make this. But it's totally worth it. If you love cooking and enjoy homemade food, the time really doesn't feel like a big deal. So keep stirring and mashing until it slowly turns into a nice thick consistency. So you can mash it either with a fork or if you have a masher, you can use that. Now the mixture is getting thicker, so we should keep stirring continuously. Add 2 pinches of salt and keep stirring. Now it's thick. Let's test it. Take a little of the mixture on a plate and let it spread. Wait for a second. Then cut through it with a spoon. The mixture should not come back together. See, now it's perfect. It's staying apart. That's the consistency we need for the jam. Next, add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir once, then switch off the stove. Look at the consistency of this banana jam, friends. Let me test it once again with the blade test. Look at that, it's perfect. Now, take it off the stove and allow it to cool. Once cooled, transfer it into a sterilized glass bottle and store it in the refrigerator for up to a month or 2. Now, with this jam in hand, I couldn't resist tasting it. So why not a maska bun with a twist of banana jam and a cup of masala chai? Friends, you will definitely love this yummy homemade banana jam, fresh and with no preservatives.
That's awesome.
If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I come with a new recipe, happy cooking and take care.